Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be unboxing the second generation AirPods Pro. They are just the standard, well, there's only one model, but they're the standard AirPods Pro. The box doesn't say with MagSafe charging case anymore because they don't have one without anymore. It's all the MagSafe charging case. I had the super first gen Pros, so they didn't have the MagSafe case, and then later on they came out with that. This one, they all come with that right off the bat, so you don't have to worry about that. No plastic wrap on the box anymore, so they've gone to that with the AirPods as well now. So we just have your pull tabs on the top and bottom of the package. Picked these up at Best Buy. They had them in stock today for pickup, so I went ahead and grabbed them. We have your little Design by Apple in California thing here. I don't think you get, I don't think there's an Apple sticker in here. Usually they don't include Apple stickers with the accessories, like AirPods and stuff like that. But there is all your documentation and that kind of stuff, so put that off to the side. Have your AirPods in the charging case right here, and then we have a USB-C to Lightning cable on the bottom of the box right there for charging. There's actually a few different ways you can charge it, and then we have the ear tips as well under this piece. I'm going to leave those out because I probably have to change them. There's a few different ways you can charge these. You can charge them wirelessly with a Qi charger, like what your iPhone's going to charge on. You can plug them in with the Lightning cable, or you can even charge them with an Apple Watch charger this year. And the Qi charger also includes the MagSafe charger, of course, because this case has MagSafe support, so it will stick to one of those cases, or one of those chargers. So there's about 4 different ways you can charge one of these things, which is pretty cool. I'm glad they added the watch charger feature, because it's just one less charger you got to carry around if you're traveling. You can bring your watch charger and charge your AirPods and your watch with the same cable. So the AirPods themselves look pretty much the same as they did last year. You can see we have the flashing white light to pair them, but nothing really changed about the physical appearance of them. We do have some new slide gestures on the stem here, so you can change your volume. But other than that, everything is pretty much about the same. You do also have a lanyard hook here on the case, as well as a speaker on the bottom down here for Find My notifications, because the case itself is findable via Find My, so the case will make noise through the speaker, so you can find your case as well. So I have my iPhone right here. Go ahead and open the case next to them and go ahead and set them up. As always, simple setup. We'll just hit connect right here, and of course this is going to pair it with all your iCloud devices. So there we go, we can see they are now paired, and it shows you the media control, the case battery, and the AirPods battery that are charging. We'll let them charge real quick. Let me go into Find My and see, let's see. Alright, so I can't really show this because it's got a map and my address and everything on it. But what I will do is we will play a sound. So you can see the sound is playing out of the case itself, and the light is flashing. Let me take the AirPods out real quick and see if that is still the case. Alright, so there's nothing in the case here. Go ahead and try that again. Yep. So you can see the case has its own Find My connection. Let me just cover that so you don't hear it as much. But it's got its own Find My connection, so the sound plays through the case. You can also do the AirPods themselves. Now the AirPods, when the AirPods are not in there, they separate from the case, so you can play a sound for the case and you can play a sound for the AirPods themselves. So the AirPods Pro, now you can have, I can't show it because it's got my address on it still, but it says case and then left bud and right bud, and you can use the nearby finding. Let's see, there we go. You can show that. So you can see right here we have the, the case, and then I believe this works with Yeah, so it works with the AirPods themselves. This doesn't have the like actual precise location for the finding, but the case does. So the AirPods, the buds themselves are just gonna be like kind of like close, but you can see as I pull it away and then move it behind me, it's got all that, and it will, if I moved around, it would give you the arrow and stuff like that as well. But there you go. That is all the Find My features on the new AirPods Pro 2. Put those back in the case. You do also get an extra small ear tip this year in the box, so that is nice for people with smaller ears and stuff like that. They'll fit a little bit better. It doesn't look like it includes a lanyard, so that's something you'll have to get on your own, which is kind of weird they didn't include like a little lanyard for them. I'll have to check the Apple website and see if they sell like an Apple one or any third-party ones, or if it's just one of those ones you gotta like find something on Amazon to fit it. But those are the AirPods Pro 2. I am Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.